Alright, good morning everyone. First of all, we are going to do revision. We are going to do revision on the previous topics that we have learned. Kita nak ulang kaji sikit what we have learned so far. Okay, so if you look at your textbook, your 5 English plus 1 students book, we are going to start from page number 4. So this is page 4. You can see here page number 4. Starter unit, unit permulaan. We haven't started unit 1 yet. Tak masuk lagi unit 1. These are the topics that you should know and you should master before, sebelum we enter unit 1. Okay, first vocabulary, perkataan, kosakata. You have learned about hobbies and interests, playing video games, watching TV, skateboarding, go shopping, music, art, reading, and so on. So make sure you know all the hobbies and interests. After that, we have learned about be, affirmative and negative. Okay, be verbs. Be verbs are am, is, and also are. For example, I'm is positive form. If for negative form, I am not or I'm not. If you look at the examples here, choose the correct words. I isn't from London or I am not from London. So for the pronoun I, kata ganti nama I, the partner is am not, I'm not. He is or he are. Of course he is. Or the short form, singkatan dia, we can replace the letter I with apostrophe, koma yang kecil kat atas. Kalau panjang ni, it can be he is. Or short form, singkatan dia his. He, koma, or apostrophe kat atas and then S. He's good at sport. They isn't or they aren't, my friends. Partner dia, they dengan are. Untuk negatif, kalau dia tak buat ataupun mereka bukan kawan saya, it should be aren't. Or panjang dia are not. The short form is aren't. You is or you are into music. You are into music. Or short form is you are into music. Mrs. Turner are or is a teacher. Mrs. Turner is a teacher. Okay, and then prepositions and everyday objects. Prepositions, lokasi sesuatu barang. On means atas, ada objek. There must be a surface, kena ada permukaan atau objek and something ada atas objek tu. And then we can say on, atas, on the box. Near, near ni dekat, bersebelahan, dekat-dekat, near the box. Under is bawah kotak, under the box. Between, between tengah-tengah, di antara. Between the boxes, kotak ada 2. So make sure we put ES, boxes. The frog is between the boxes. In, dalam kotak. The frog is in the box. Next to, sebelah juga. And last one, opposite. Opposite, bertentangan. Bertentang, berhadapan. Opposite the box. Okay, and then we have possessive apostrophe S. Possessive ni kepunyaan yang kita letak ada comma or apostrophe kat atas and also S. For example, here number 1. The teacher's mobile. Teacher punya mobile. Mobile is mobile phone. Telefon bimbit mobile. Harry's bag. Harry punya bag. Berapa orang Harry? Seorang. So make sure comma dulu baru S. Teacher pun seorang kat sini. Make sure you put apostrophe ataupun comma kat atas dulu baru S. The students' chairs. Students. Look at S here. Dia letak S dulu baru apostrophe. That means students ni ramai. Plural. Student tu ramai. So we have to put S dulu. And then we put comma or apostrophe kat atas. Okay. And then we move on to this one. Adjectives. Adjectives, kata sifat. Kita nak ceritakan lebih lagi pasal benda or orang tu. Example given here. Unpopular. Popular is positive, terkenal. Unpopular, dia tak terkenal. Negative word for it. Or kata berlawanan lah. Opposites here. Opposites, berlawanan maksud. Okay, bad, tak baik. The opposite will be good, good and bad. New and old. New baru, old lama. Cheap, murah. The opposite will be expensive. Murah lawan dia mahal, expensive. Horrible, teruk. The opposite word is nice. Nice, cantik kan. Boring, bosan. The opposite is, what is the opposite of boring? Interesting. Menarik lawan dia bosan. Fast, laju. The opposite word is fast and slow, perlahan. And last one, big, besar. The opposite word is small, big and small. So you should know the opposite of the adjectives. Kata berlawanan untuk kata-kata sifat tu. Okay, look at these pictures, the 4 pictures here. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree. Degree ni lebih kurang macam sejauh mana. Kalau dia mahal, dia sangat mahal ke ataupun mahal sikit-sikit ke, tak berapa mahal ke. Okay, it isn't very expensive. Ia tak adalah terlampau mahal sangat. Okay, the word is very. Yang ni penting. Very is the adverbs of degree. Number 2, it's quite expensive. What is quite? It's not quiet. Kalau quiet, Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet, diam. But this one is quite. Ejaan ni lebih kurang. Okay. Q-U-I-T-E. Quite expensive. Agak mahal. Tadi ni taklah terlampau mahal. This one agak mahal. Quite expensive. And then this one, it's very expensive. Very expensive. It's. Tadi it isn't. Isn't tidak. This one it's. Ianya sangat mahal. Look at the price. 1,200 ringgit. Just now only 180 ringgit. Another one is 400. But this one 1,000. 1,000 lebih. So it's very expensive. Sangat-sangat mahal. And last one, it's really expensive. Really ni betul-betul mahal. 3,000 ringgit. Okay, this one we haven't learned yet. Ni belum belajar lagi. But I can actually introduce you a little bit. Boleh kenalkan sikit lah. This, that, these panjang. These sebutan lebih panjang daripada this yang pertama. And then those. Okay, number 1, this pen. This yang pendek. T-H-I-S. This pen. Pen ini. Ada satu je. Only one pen. Pen ini. Okay, these books. Nampak dia panjang sikit. These books. Buku-buku ini. Semua. Banyak buku. Tadi only one. Satu kita guna this. This yang ni ada banyak. Plural. Okay, and then that desk. That. Itu. How many? Only one. One desk. Ada satu je. Meja yang itu. That desk. Another one is those students. Those panjang sama dengan these. Those students. Pelajar-pelajar itu semua. Dia jauh. Okay, bezanya this one and this one. This and also that. This and these. Dia dekat dengan kita. Objek tu mesti dekat. They are near to us. Dekat dengan kita. That and also those. Kita guna untuk objek yang jauh dengan kita. Far away from us. Sebab tu yang ni maksudnya itu. That means itu. Those pun itu juga. Tapi itu semua yang banyak. These or those cousins are in Australia now. Tapi tak ada gambar. How are we going to know? Dia dekat ke, dia jauh ke, dia banyak ke, dia sikit? Macam mana nak tahu kan? So actually, the clue has been given to you in the sentence. Dia bagi petunjuk dia dalam ayat. The clue or the keyword, kata kunci dia is cousins. One or many here ada S. So banyak, ramai. These ramai, those pun ramai. Tapi kita nak tahu dekat ke jauh ni. Okay, look at the word. The next keyword is Australia. Australia. Jauh ni Australia. We are now in Malaysia. Right? So these or those. Cousins ramai dan dia berada jauh dekat sana. So the answer will be those. Sama dengan ni. Those students. Jauh kan? Jauh dari kita. Dan dia ramai. Okay, number 2. Is this or is those your pen? Okay, the keyword is pen. Pen, only one. Tak ada S, there's no S. So only one pen. So which one? This or those? This lah. This or these present is nice. Which one is the keyword? Mana kata kunci dia? Present. Present is gift or hadiah. Hadiah ni cantik kan? It's nice. So only one present. Satu je present, tak ada S. So the answer will be this present. And number 4, this or that is Maria's dad. The keyword is dad. Berapa ramai Maria's dad ni? Only one. Ada nama dia, Bill. Only one father. So the answer will be that. Itu. That is Maria's dad. Our focus for today is this one on page 10 of your textbook, page 10. Okay, countries and nationalities. Countries, negara, nationalities, rakyat dia. Okay, kalau for example Malaysia, we are living in Malaysia and we are all Malaysians. So we have actually learned this last year in year 4. Kita dah belajar in year 4. But for year 5, we want to do revision and also add some more nationalities. Kita nak tambah lagi banyak nationalities and also lagi banyak countries for you. Okay, the UK, it is also called Britain. UK ni ada dua nama lah, UK and also Britain. Okay, let's try. Okay, before we try, I will show you a video. So this is our objective. Talk about where things are from. First one, this is a flag. Ini sebuah bendera, flag. Can you guess what flag is this? The answer is Australia. Next one, this is Brazil. And then we have China. This is the flag of China. This is Egypt. Can you see? And a bird in the middle of the flag. What bird is this? It looks like an eagle, right? Egypt. And then this is India, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Spain, Turkey, the UK or Britain. Okay, two names. The US. Okay, how do we call the people? Macam mana kita nak panggil rakyat negara tu? So nationality, rakyat negara tu. Nationality. Okay, so this is the Australian flag. So the people of Australia, we call them Australian. How do we call the people from Brazil? Brazilian. Brazil plus IAN, Brazilian. The people from China, not China people, but Chinese. Egypt, Mesir. Okay, Mesir, Egypt. Egyptian. The people from India, Indian. People from Italy, Italian. Japan, Japanese. The people from Mexico, Mexican. People from Spain, we call them Spanish. Turkey, Turkish. The people from the UK or the Britain, British. The people from the US, American. Nationality can be used as adjectives. So for example, this is a picture of sushi. So where do you think sushi came from? You can see them as Japanese food. Makanan, Japan. So Japanese food, not Japan food, but Japanese food. It comes from Japan. Okay, what is this? Spaghetti. It is from Italy. Italian food. Spaghetti is an Italian food. Okay, what picture is this? Pyramid. Okay, the pyramid is in Egypt. Okay, in Mesir, Egypt. So Egyptian capital. Capital is ibu negara dia, capital. Okay, you have to listen and repeat this one for your revision. Untuk ulang kaji, you can click here if you want to listen. Okay, Australian. Okay, if you use your laptop, it's easier for you to hear the sound. If you use your mobile phone, kalau guna telephone, I don't think you can hear the sound. And then Brazil, Brazilian, China, Chinese, Egypt, Egyptian, Germany, German, Italy, Italian, France, French, Japan, Japanese, Mexico, Mexican, Morocco, Moroccan, Portugal, Portuguese. Okay, look at the spelling. Tengok ejaan dia, Portuguese. Russia, Russian, Spain, Spanish, USA, or the United States of America. So the people of America, we call them American. Okay, and then this is your practice. Choose the correct word. This toy is made in China or Chinese? Okay, try. Exercise 2, write the correct adjective. This one you have to type. Use your keyboard and type. Sushi is eaten in Japan. So it is a
Japanese food.
Make sure you start with
Japanese
capital
food.
letter. Yang depan mesti huruf besar, capital letter. Japanese food. Okay. Okay, this one Morocco, Germany, France, Portugal. If you don't remember, kalau tak ingat, you can look at here. Tengok balik atas. Okay, look at here. Okay, number 3, look at the flags and write the country. So there are 4 flags. So you can click and hear the sound. Australia, Spain, Egypt, Russia. Okay, click on the sound. Okay, the pyramids are located in, is it in Australia? Is it in Spain?
No.
Is it in Egypt? Is it in Russia?
In Egypt.
Egypt. Okay, type Egypt here. Okay, if you don't remember the spelling, kalau tak ingat ejaan, look at here again, right? Okay, last one, listen and choose the correct word. You have to click here and listen. Listen, and then click, finish. And then send the screenshot of your mark. After that, this one, Google form. Write your full name, your class, and then watch the video on YouTube, and then click your answer. Look at the flag here. Is it China, Italy, Japan, or India? Which country is this? Okay, click your answer. Okay, number 2, number 3, 4, 5. Are you from New York? Yes, that's right. Okay, New York is in America kan? Okay, kalau orang Amerika, kita panggil apa? I'm the US or I'm American? Choose your answer. Okay, read the question, baca soalan, and then choose. Okay, last section. People and their nationality. Write your answer beginning with a capital letter. Mulakan dengan huruf besar. This is Naomi. She is a, okay, look at the picture here. Where do you think she is from? Okay, curry is a popular ... food. So is it India or Indian food? When we visit Australia, we need to make sure we buy ... currency. Currency ni money, mata wang. And last one, Turkey. I heard that ... food is delicious. What is the answer? Type your answer here. Okay, number 1, live worksheet. Number 2, Google form. And number 3, I want you to write this in your writing book. Only exercise number 2 saja. Okay, this one je. Make sure you write Thursday, 18 February, and then write question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you circle the answer. Bulatkan jawapan dia. Is it Indian or Italian? Is it Mexican or Australian? Bulatkan. Okay, so 3 tasks for today.